Want to know a secret? Today we're diving deep into the coolest corners of the internet that you've probably never heard of but absolutely need to know about. We're talking about insanely cool and totally underrated websites that are a gold mine for anyone interested in hacking. Imagine finding secret online playgrounds where you can practice hacking skills, discover vulnerabilities, and even compete in real-world challenges. All legally. Whether you're just starting out or you're the go-to tech whiz among your friends, these sites are going to blow your mind and seriously level up your hacking game. Let's kick things off with OneHub, your very own virtual hacking gym. Here you can sharpen your penetration testing skills on a range of vulnerable machines designed for both learning and practice. It's a safe, legal environment where breaking things means you're learning. Whether you're a novice or looking to refine your skills, OneHub is the place to be. Moving on, we have Hack the Box, a thrilling online platform where hackers can test their cybersecurity challenges. This digital dojo is not just about hacking, it's a vibrant community where you can learn from peers, share knowledge, and even compete in hacking battles. From easy puzzles for beginners to complex scenarios for pros, Hack the Box has something for everyone. It's where you'll discover your next cybersecurity challenge. Don't forget about Over the Wire, a unique blend of gaming and learning designed to teach you security concepts in the most engaging way possible. Start with simple challenges and gradually tackle more complex problems as you improve. It's an ideal platform for beginners to get a solid foundation in cybersecurity. Plus, the community support and competitive aspect make it incredibly addictive. Prank your friends and colleagues with pranks.com, the ultimate destination for harmless cyber mischief. With its user-friendly interface, you can create realistic-looking hacking scenarios that are sure to get a reaction. Whether it's simulating a system breach or coding frenzy, this website adds a fun and harmless twist to the concept of hacking. Dive into a world of playful deception, where every click brings a new surprise, making a difference. It's the perfect tool for light-hearted pranks that will leave everyone laughing. Exploit Database is your go-to resource for the latest in security exploits and vulnerabilities. This extensive database is a treasure trove for researchers and cybersecurity professionals looking to stay ahead of threats. Whether you're looking for a specific exploit or researching vulnerabilities, it's an indispensable tool. Plus, contributing to the database helps the wider security community. SecurityTube is essentially YouTube for cybersecurity enthusiasts. Here you'll find a plethora of videos ranging from tutorials to full-length conference talks on all things security. It's a great way to learn new techniques or simply stay updated on the latest trends. The vast collection ensures there's always something new to discover. CTF Time takes you into the competitive world of Capture the Flag competitions, offering a comprehensive list of events and a global scoreboard. It's where you can challenge yourself, learn new skills, and even join teams to compete on an international level. The community and resources available here are invaluable for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Plus, it's a fun way to test and improve your hacking skills. Replit isn't just an online ID, it's a collaborative coding platform that supports a multitude of programming languages. Whether you're working on a project, practicing coding, or facing a hackathon, Replit provides a seamless environment to code in. The real-time collaboration feature makes it perfect for teamwork. Plus, it's incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible to coders of all levels. Portswigger Web Security Academy offers in-depth learning on web security with interactive labs and expert tutorials. From cross-site scripting to SQL injection, learn how to exploit and mitigate web vulnerabilities. It's hands-on learning at its best, preparing you for real-world security challenges. Plus, it's free, making advanced web security education accessible to everyone. Pentester Lab breaks down the barriers to learning web hacking and penetration testing with its easy-to-follow exercises and labs. From absolute beginner to advanced levels, it guides you through various aspects of cybersecurity. The hands-on approach ensures you not only learn, but also apply your knowledge. It's an invaluable resource for anyone looking to break into the field. Hacker 101 provides a solid foundation in web security with its free classes and engaging Capture the Flag challenges. It's designed to introduce you to the world of hacking, covering everything from web exploits to vulnerability discovery. The interactive learning model makes it easy and fun to pick up new skills. Plus, the community support is fantastic for beginners. TryHackMe offers an innovative approach to learning cybersecurity with gamified learning experiences that make education both fun and effective. Tackle real-world scenarios in a safe, virtual environment. The platform caters to all skill levels, ensuring there's always something new to learn. It's the perfect place to start or continue your cybersecurity journey. Zero Day Today keeps you on the cutting edge, with its up-to-date repository of undisclosed vulnerabilities. It's a gold mine for security researchers and penetration testers looking for the latest exploits. The platform encourages responsible disclosure, contributing to overall internet safety. Plus, accessing cutting-edge vulnerability information puts you ahead in the cybersecurity game. SecLists is an essential toolkit for any security assessment, offering a comprehensive collection of ready-to-use payloads, passwords, and more. Whether you're conducting a penetration test or securing your network, these lists save you time and effort. It's the go-to resource for many cybersecurity professionals. Plus, the community-driven updates keep the lists relevant and useful. Shelter Labs introduces you to a world of security challenges and competitions that test your skills in a practical, engaging way. From cryptography to web exploitation, there's a challenge for every interest. It's a great platform for learning, sharing, and competing. Plus, the progressive difficulty levels ensure you're always growing. CyberChef is dubbed the Cyber Swiss Army knife for a reason. It's a web app designed for encryption, decryption, and data analysis, handling complex operations with simple recipes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, CyberChef makes data manipulation a breeze. Plus, its intuitive interface makes it accessible to everyone. Malware offers a vast repository of malware samples, providing an invaluable resource for researchers and cybersecurity professionals. With daily updates, it's a go-to for anyone studying malware trends or developing defense strategies. The open access model promotes sharing and collaboration within the security community. Plus, it's an excellent tool for hands-on learning. DHaste serves as a powerful search engine for investigating and preventing data breaches. Find exposed data quickly and take proactive steps to secure your digital presence. It's an essential tool for security professionals and anyone concerned with data privacy. Plus, the extensive database provides insights into the scale and nature of data breaches. Binary Edge scans the internet, providing insights into exposed devices and services, making it a critical tool for cybersecurity research and threat intelligence. With its real-time data analysis, you can identify vulnerabilities before they're exploited. It's like having a digital telescope to explore the cyber universe. Shodan is the search engine for the Internet of Things, revealing devices connected to the internet, from webcams to industrial controls. It's a powerful tool for security research, offering a unique view of the digital landscape. Shodan helps identify vulnerable devices and services, systems contributing to a safer internet. Plus, it's fascinating to see what's really connected online. Hack This site offers a safe and legal environment to practice hacking skills with a variety of missions and challenges. It's an excellent way to learn and apply ethical hacking techniques. The community-driven approach encourages collaboration, and Ghidra, developed by the NSA, offers a peek into the world of software reverse engineering with its powerful framework. Analyze, decompile, and understand complex code. Whether you're looking into malware or proprietary software, it's an open source tool that levels the playing field for security researchers. CryptoHack offers a fun and interactive way to learn cryptography, breaking down complex concepts into engaging challenges. It's perfect for anyone curious about the math and science behind secure communications. The platform's approachable style demystifies cryptography, making it accessible to all. Plus, the community aspect adds an extra layer of learning and fun.